Hi everyone, welcome to another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, the bell of notification for more videos. Today I'm going to make hot dog buns, so let's just get right into it. In a small bowl, I will start putting 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Then I will add some sugar to it, which is 1 tablespoon. You will find all the ingredients for the recipe in a description box down below. Once I'm done adding the sugar, I will now pour a half cup of warm milk. I made sure that it's not hot, but it's warm, so the warm milk will allow yeast to rise properly. Once I'm done whisking everything together, I will now set it aside and let the yeast be activated for at least 5 minutes. And then I will now start taking care of my dry ingredients. In a bowl, I will pour all-purpose flour. If you have bread flour, you can also use it. It will work just as fine. Then I will add some salt and some sugar. Then I will start whisking everything together to make sure the salt and sugar are well blended in with the flour. So as I'm mixing everything, then I'll set it aside and wait for 5 minutes until my yeast is activated. So now you can see it is activated, and so you can see the foam is actually showing that the yeast is very active. And I'll start pouring it into my flour. To that I will add some butter, melted butter. I will also add 1 egg. And I will start whisking everything together. I will be mixing it to make sure that everything is well blended in. So once I'm done mixing with the fork, I will now use my hands. I will be working this dough for at least 10 minutes. Once I'm done mixing the flour into the bowl, I will now transfer it on my work surface with a little bit of flour, and I'll keep working it. I'll keep working the dough. Once I'm done working the dough, I will put it into a bowl, cover it, and let it rise for at least 1 hour. My dough now has risen for 1 hour. It's time now to transfer it on my work surface again. You can see that the dough is very stretchy. I am going to work my dough very lightly and start giving it a shape. So I'm stretching my dough because I'm going to start cutting it and putting it in small slices for my hot dog buns. So I'm gonna make at least 10 hot dog buns. Once I'm done cutting all the pieces, I will now set it aside and start working each little piece to give it a shape for the bun that we are going to have later on. So with a rolling pin, this is one way of making the hot dog bun. You can always roll it and then tuck it on both sides in and then roll it on the ends. That's one way of making the bun if you want it that way. And then the other one is very simple. You just roll the dough just the way it is, and that gives it a shape for the bun. And you do it for the remaining other pieces until you are done. In the meantime, I have prepped my baking sheet by putting some butter and flour on it so the bun would not stick to it. So then I will start transferring my hot dog buns into it. Then I will take paper towel that I will just put on top of the hot dog buns, and then I will cover it to let it rise for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. My dough has well risen now, so I'm now going to remove the paper towels. I will cut the dough lightly in the middle to give it a hot dog bun shape. Then I will preheat my oven to 375 degrees and bake it for at least 30 minutes. So 30 minutes went by, our hot dog buns are ready. You can see how fluffy and very nice and very soft it is. It's very hot. So I'm now going to take some melted butter that I will apply on top of each bun to make sure that the buns stay really soft. So now it's time to serve. You can see how soft and nice it looks. So we are going to open the hot dog bun. In the meantime, I've already made my hot dogs. So while the hot dog buns were baking, I was cooking the hot dogs. So now it's time to serve it. You can see, it already looks really good. I will add some ketchup. And some mustard, for those who like mustard. You can see how delicious it looks. All the ingredients for this recipe are going to be in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And until next time, enjoy.